In this video, I'm going to show you how to request auto captions for a YuJa video. To start with, you're going to go into your YuJa media library and identify the video you want to add auto captions to. Then you're going to click on the three-dot option to the right of that video, come down to More. This new window is going to open up, and over on the left-hand browser, you're going to see an option for accessibility. Then you'll see an option for auto caption. You're going to click that to request, and it's going to send the request to YuJa. You will receive an email when the auto captions are done. Now that I've received the email notification that my auto captioning is done, I'm going to come back to my video, click on the three-dot options, go to More, click Accessibility, and this is where I can find the caption files. I can also download them if I need them outside of YuJa for whatever reason. It also auto-creates transcripts in plain text or PDF so that I could download those and then add them to my Canvas course or wherever I would need it.